Hi guys, and welcome to episode 4, Microphones and Headphones. All aspects of video series are important, but this one is overlooked. So for example, your caller or meeting cannot hear you properly. Be mindful about echo for both you and your caller. We'll show you the difference in this video. Make sure your listener can hear you clearly, as built-in mics can pick up the whole room, not just you.
Hi, I'm Andy from Pulsate. We specialise in videography and podcasts for small to medium-sized businesses.
One of our suggestions is record a practice run and listen back to it. Now, if you're in the position that you're forced to use a built-in mic, make sure you're the only person in the room. Now, we suggest wearing headphones or earphones when using built-in microphones. This not only keeps your call private, but isolates your voice too. But be aware when using Bluetooth devices, as this can cause syncing issues. What I mean by this is that the audio doesn't match what you're saying.
Hi, I'm Andy from Pulsate, and we specialise in videography and podcasts for small to medium-sized businesses.
If you are going to invest in anything, we recommend buying an external microphone. Not only are they better than built-in mics, but they offer crisper audio too. There are a number of different mics on the market that you could use, from pod mics like this one on the table, or the one just above me, an overhead mic. In this video, we're going to recommend some gear, like products from Rode. They do some exceptional stuff for great value. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to get in touch with me or Andy, and we will get back to you. In the next episode, Andy's going to be talking to you about environment. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.